A few years ago, I didn't have any insurance, and I had to have an emergency medical procedure done.
Okay.
And in between that time and now, I've suffered nerve damage in both of my arms, and I'm unable to work.
Okay.
I was wondering, and as it is right now, I'm being supported by family members. And I was wondering how long am I going to have to receive 5 to 6 calls a day about the debt that I owe?
Okay. How do you stop that? How do you stop those harassing calls?
Well, as a bankruptcy attorney, I would tell you that the filing of a bankruptcy normally will stop those calls within a short period of time. There are statute issues depending on the debt, and he would need to seek legal counsel as far as when the statute runs, depending on what the debt was and what he signed. But normally, if you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the creditors get notice, and there's a stay, an automatic stay that comes into effect. That stay provides a quell of calls. It lets the creditor know that they're protected by the court, and the creditor cannot contact the debtor or a co-debtor on a consumer debt. So if there's a co-signer on those medical bills, if he filed a Chapter 13 or a Chapter 7, then the co-debtor or the co-signer would get the protection while he was still under the court's protection.
Well, let me ask you this. If someone's in a position where they're not ready to file for bankruptcy and they feel like they could pay a little bit towards their credit cards, but yet not the full amount that the credit card company is seeking, can you negotiate with them?
Well, sometimes you can.
Okay.
Sometimes you can. What people need to be very careful of is any amount that's written off by a credit card company. I've had many clients come to me with a 1099 miscellaneous where they have been treated as receiving income for the amount of debt that was written off by the credit card company. So they're thinking they've got a great deal, they've settled this debt for 25 cents on the dollar, and then come tax time they get a 1099 where they're having to claim that amount that's written off as income.
Okay.
And the IRS is tough to deal with too.
Yeah.